Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, so glad to have you. Hope everyone is having a great and amazing Thursday today. I am having a wonderful day myself. I'm so excited because I have a new subscription. Well, it's new to me, and I'm so excited to unbox it for you guys, so here we go. Alright, so here she is. It's the CosmoBox by Cosmopolitan, and I'm so excited to see what's in it. The Cosmopolitan box is, I got it wrote down here so I don't forget, is $29.99 for the box. It's $6 shipping, bringing your total to $35.99 a month for this box. And you get six, I believe they said 6 items inside. So let me get her open here. I haven't opened it because I wanted to unbox it completely with you guys. And it says Fun Fearless Female right here on the lid. Pretty gold wrapping paper. We all know I like that gold wrapping paper, don't we? Alright, and they do say that this box has an over $60 value in it. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and tear right on into this box. Alright, and in the box you get this card right here. And it says CosmoBox by Cosmopolitan. Set a goal. Go small or go home. Set a goal, go small or go home. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like with this beautiful lady right here in her little black dress, how pretty she is. All right, so that tells you, gives you a little idea. Here is some of the stuff that's in it. Then we get another card that says, hey girl. That's my favorite phrase right there. So there's that with another beautiful lady right here. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is the Tea Forte, and it's an accessory collection subscriptions steeping cup with infuser. All right, nice. I love stuff like this. So this has definitely got some lifestyle stuff in it. There's the little lid. All right, and there is the mug. You put this, and it has this little basket inside there. How cool is that? All right, let me tell you a little bit about this real quick. All right, it's the Tea Forte Cotty Sleeping Cup and Infuser. Loose tea by the cup, simple. Our double-walled ceramic tumbler and integrated stainless steel infuser makes steeping loose tea by the cup simple. The innovative double-wall construction keeps the tea hot and the tumbler cozy to hold. Add the lid to your cup while steeping. When done, remove and use as a tray for your infuser basket. And this retails for $20. All right. Heck yes, I like this. Isn't this pretty? And I love green. All right, and then the next product I have in there is the Tea Forte Loose Tea Moroccan Mint. Let me tell you a little bit about this one. All right, let me find it. Let me find it now. So it says this award-winning Moroccan mint green tea combines hand-rolled Chinese gunpowder girl, woo, green tea with fresh Nana mint leaves, also known as a Thai by girl. You know I'm going to tear this up. A Thai by Nana Moroccan mint tea. Okay, and this retails for $15, and it is, what is it? 3.17 ounces. There is that. Cute. I wonder how that'll taste. I'll have to definitely let you guys know on that. All right, the next thing we have in here that I'm pulling out looks like a jump rope. Heck yes, girl, you know. Maybe not right away. I'm going to be able to use this, but hopefully soon. Tell you about this real quick. It says RX jump rope. This jump rope should be a main staple in everyone's training arsenal. The jump rope has proven to provide a wide array of fitness benefits ranging from improved cardio, increased muscular endurance, increased foot speed and hand coordination, and improved agility. Not to mention that jumping rope is a tremendous alternative to running as it promotes healthier knees and joints by staying on the balls of your feet while also stimulating the upper body. Heck yes, I'll take this, yes. And this retails for $39.99. That is the price of this box. Wow. And look how pretty it is. All right, and the next thing I'm pulling out is this copper and crane melting body souffle. Ooh, I love that kind of stuff. I love it. Let's open it up and see a little bit about it. So far, I'm not dissatisfied. I'm happy. I'm loving it. And that's what the packaging looks like. Isn't that beautiful? I love me some rose gold. I love it to death. Open up here. Safety sealed. They know us safety seal girls. Ooh, and it's nice and thick. Oh, it has a very light fragrance. Very, very, very light fragrance. Let me set this down here. Get a little bit on the back of my hand here. Tell you how it feels. Oh, it feels like liquid satin. It is amazing. That is going to be great. Oh, so excited. All right, and a little bit about this Copper and Crane Melting Souffle. It says, evaluate your routine with a specially whipped intense hydrating cream that delivers instant softness. Expertly formulated with a rich blend of argan oil and avocado oil that melts fully and quickly into your skin. Dull, dry, lifeless skin feels rejuvenated and noticeably smoother. This retails for $30, girl. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, and I love getting anything for the body that makes you soft and smell good, because sometimes, girl, especially in the wintertime, I got lizard skin. All right, and finally, the last thing we have is this You Are a Badass Everyday book. I need something like this. It says how to keep your motivation strong, your vibe high, and your quest for transformation unstoppable. They knew exactly what to send me, didn't they? And it is by Jen Sincero. God, girl, if I butchered your name, I'm sorry. All right, and it says it's a #1 New York Times best-selling author of You Are a Badass. So awesome. So awesome. I love it. This is probably my second favorite thing in this box, because I think it's going to be very inspirational. And let me see what it says here. It says, for anyone who has ever had trouble staying on track while trailblazing towards badassery, You Are a Badass Every Day is the companion to keep you fresh, grateful, scrappy, and driven. In this inspirational guide, best-selling author and world-traveling success coach Jen Sincero distills big ideas into bite-sized daily exercises and reflections you need to stay sharp, giving you permission to let go of missteps, the tools to keep yourself accountable, and the space and acceptance to celebrate like mad when you are kicking butt. I love that. I love everything that stands for. And this retails for $20. And I almost didn't see this, but they put a nutrition bar in here. It's 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, and no BS. Whew, that sounds like my kind of energy bar right there. It's peanut butter chocolate. All right. And it is by RX Bar. It is 1.83 ounces. Let me see what it says on this little card about that. It says, where is it? Let me find it. All right. The RX Nutrition Bar, simply made and infused with all natural ingredients. We're working to give you the protein bars you've been looking for without the added BS. And we're real upfront about it. This retails for $4. All right, so just to recap what I got in this box, we got this really cute mug right here with the infuser to brew the tea with. Super cute, love that. We got the tea, the Moroccan mint tea that goes into that little canister. We got this nice body souffle right here that smells wonderful and feels excellent on the skin. It's gonna help me smooth out all that lizard skin. We got this jump rope right here that's gonna help me smooth out this fat booty. We got this power bar right here. Hopefully it'll taste good. Some of them, you gotta watch because it tastes like cardboard. And then finally, we've got this badass book right here, Be a Badass Every Day, that I'm so looking forward to reading and keeping my spirits up, keeping my strength up, keeping my momentum going. So what did you guys think about this box? It is $35, $35.99 a month, and I got over $128 worth of value. I am very pleased with it. I will definitely subscribe again, keep the subscription going, because I thought it was fantastic. Also, I just wanted to mention really quickly, this little necklace here was sent to me by a very, very, very special subscriber. Her name is Isabella Santiago, and I think she is amazing. And it says, she thought she could, so she did. And that touched my heart so much because it fits right in there with my motto in life, my strength attitude, and all that stuff. So Thank you so very much for the lovely gift. It means the world to me. You guys, before I go, I just want to remind you about that 500 subscriber giveaway. Go over there and check that out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel and followed all the rules in that video to get entered into the video or into the giveaway, please do. I think I'm 13 away from 500 last time I checked, so it's going to be very, very soon. Also hit me up on Instagram. I do have an Instagram now. It's confidenceplus0220. Follow me on Twitter at _confidenceplus, and make sure you guys head over to my live stream tomorrow or Friday. Well, yeah, tomorrow. Check it out Friday at 7 p.m. I'd love to talk to you, and we're all going to do a face mask together. At least I hope so. At least I will be doing one. You guys stay beautiful and have a great, great day. Bye.